Welcome all of you. Today we discussing on the recent trading auditings. That is one component here we should be discuss regarding the cost audits. So we already see for the financial audit and types of audit. So here the cost audit is a concept that as and when the company manufacturing or production any articles or any goods or any types of the products, at that time the company maintain the accounts and what kind of the quantity is requires, what kind of the labor's hour is requires, what time other overhead is required. So they should be calculating the things and what is the per unit cost. So here the auditor, what did the auditors when auditor can be appointed for the company, as per the when the company auditor can be appointed at that times he can be verify the records in pertaining to the cost accountings. Yes, cost accounting differ from the financial accounting. Here the different audit also. So here the cost audit is a specific audit concerned with the manufacturing and productions or service sectors, whatever the sectors we have to appoint it as an auditor of the particular persons, and he have to the just focusing on the cost records and to ascertain the true cost of the productions. If there is a errors or mistakes or manipulation, he should be find out and report to the management. So the definition can be here's ICW London's regarding the cost. The as per the definition of the ICWA London, cost audit is a verification of the correctness, account and adherence of the cost accounting plans. So it can be just a emphasis on the whatever the correctness of the cost record they should be emphasized, and then ICW define cost audit. Cost audit is a system audit introduced by the government of India of the review, examination and appraisal of the cost accounting records and attendant information required to be maintained by the specified industries. From the above definitions, we come to know that the find out the authentication and correctness as definition of the London and ICW of the India also. They just be emphasis on the just why the cost audit is necessary. Even the companies act can be providing the company cost records and audit rules. The company should be engaging production and providing the services maintain the cost records. Now see where objective of cost audit. So what is the objective behind the cost audit? Just first objective we have to see that the accuracy of the cost records. So far as concerned, when the auditor can be appointed, his objective is that just accuracy of the cost data. Just auditors when he have to appointed, so he should be emphasis on the cost records. So accuracy of the data is very important. So similarly the accuracy of the arithmetical accuracy is important because per unit cost can be calculated, it may be in rupees or paisas. So we should be know the actually exact cost of the productions. For the markup on at profits and add some back the profits and all the things. So when we have to preparing the cost record at that times, accounting principle cost accounting principles given by the ICAD institute, now is CMA institutes, uh, because they should be know that how the cost accounting principle is there. There is a specific standard on that, and they should be maintain the cost principles, and according to they should be maintain the and adherence with the rules and regulations. Whenever we should be preparing the cost accountings at that time, so we should be just whatever the principle of the cost regarding the rules and regulation take it to the account, and according to we have to preparing the these things. So next, ensuring the correct and dictate the errors. So may nowadays the common things may fraud can be occurs, but maybe it is a negligence part of the management. First, the management duty can be as such that the management can be a keep record correct and continuously take the internal systems efficient and effective. So they should be come to know exact the frauds and errors. But sometimes the manipulation is going on the higher authority, and company management can be involved. It make a very difficulty to find out the fraud and all the things. So it is difficulty. So at that time, auditor, cost auditor can be take the cautious and alternative procedures, and to use the cost principles for the auditings, and to find out the things, and to find out the errors and fraud, and report to the management, and take the report to the higher authority. Written communication in this regards is required. Now next is the, so always the cost accounting can be a help to the organization to implement the policy. Whenever the any audit can be conducted, the nowadays the importance of the auditing not only the particular cost and financial statutory, but other area is also can be continuously updating of the costings, because when the audit is going on, it may be come to know that what is the policy of the company and how the person can be works. So those person can be working into the organization, they come to know that what is the exact we want to desire work required to the organizations. Otherwise people can be works as per their boss, but first of all understood the concept of the organization objective, and according to we perform the works. Otherwise the work is not achieve the goals whatever the, so each and every persons of the organization very important. So it may be, if suppose the internal control system is quite good, management is very strict, it may be possible that the auditor just make the random sampling or sampling testing for doing the audit. So this is audit of the objective of the cost audit. Next, advantage of the cost audit. So always the cost audit can be a make the benefit to the management, top management of the company, because they help to the management regarding to the find out the errors, take the day-to-day decisions, fixation of the price, uh, reduction of the cost, control the cost, and find out the new methodology of find out the variance, and different kind of the things they should be adopted for the purpose of this, and it make a more benefit to the company in this regard. Though they should be take the more cautious regarding that, and they should be take the things like, okay, so top management can be get the more benefit regarding the cost audit for take the accurate decision. Now so far as concern is the government. So friends, when we come to know that the basic product requires this, just we have to take the pharmaceutical products. So medicines like cancer, AIDS, other diseases, some BP sugar is there, sugar patient is there, number of disease is spread now, the COVID-19 is there. So sometimes company may be possible they charge the more cost, and to that product is not affordable to the people, and they should not be survived. Some people can be survived due to the only medicines, and we see that the India the medicine can be produced by the private persons, and those person can give the permission to producing the such unit. Now the nowadays serum company can be preparing the COVID vaccines, so they charge, it can be affordable to the publics, means whatever they should be a charge the production cost, it can be affordable, even the product is not harmful to the society. The majority product, some product are the day-to-day life products of the persons, and it can be required to the affordable the product. Then only it is a possible the person can be a buy the products. So next, cost audit being advantage to the society. So we know that the essential product, whatever the essential product regarding to the medicines, earlier we have to take the examples, uh, other consumable products, books, it is need to the society. To society can be survived through the basic commodities and basic essential goods. So the company may charge the more cost. So society can be get the benefited. Central government can be control, and central government can be conduct the audit. Sometimes some company can be charged the more revenue, or more charges can be applied on it. So at that times the government take the fix the price of the particular products, and it is regard that the save the interest of the publics, because the public can be get the goods as a reasonable price, and it may be possible that the manufacturing company cannot be charge the more pricing of the particular goods and products and services which is need for the peoples, and as a result that it is not overburden of the society, and society can be a serve very good. Now next thing is the shareholders. So why the shareholder are the interesting, we see that shareholder why interesting for the every times to know the cost audits. So shareholder are the owner of the company, and the company actually run the business through a board of directors, and board of director can be appointed with some skillful HRMs for their organization performing the works. So cost audit is an advantage of the shareholders because what quantity of the product company can be manufacturing, how to determine the cost of productions, only it can be come to know to the auditors when the company can be done the audit. Yes, company can be conducting the cost audits, maintain the cost record properly as per the company's act, and some authentications can be noticed by the third person should be come into the company and recording the transactions. When the auditor should be comes, uh, one person's appointed as a cost auditors, he perform the yes. So far as concerned, earlier video we have to discussing the powers and duties of the auditor. Same power should be a cost auditor also. Yes, means the same power, verification of the books, offer the explanations. Even it should be a whatever the evidence is be requires, you should be go and collect the evidence from the various authorities which is pertaining to the cost of the company. So far as concerned here, yes, the shareholder is reliable on the cost record when the cost auditors. Nowadays, the cost audit can be performed by the CMA members. Those person can be qualified as a cost accountant as per the guideline of the CMA institutes, and he should be qualified and COP members. So he should be conduct the cost audit. So when the person can be doing the cost audit, so he come to know the exact what is the overall position of the company. On that basis, the company come to know that what is the exact cost can be incurred and what is the profitability. Ultimately, company can be generate the revenue only from the production of the goods, and that product can be sold into the markets. So on that basis of the cost audit conducted by the cost auditors, the shareholder can be rely, and it can be come to know that company how much they should be get the returns from the particular manufacturing of the products. So it is one of the good advantages of the cost audit. So in short we can be see that the cost audit advantage. So every persons of the society like governments, like managements, society, shareholders, tax authorities, GST tax authorities, whether they should be correctly pay the taxes or not. So it can be get the good things and advantages to the all the peoples, those who are concerned with the company. uh, Thank you very much friends for watching video. Thanks.